Hi guys, this is Ranish Malan from PixCompose. Today we are going to see how we can create a YouTube thumbnail with just one click, and that one will be awesome YouTube thumbnail. Like if I press Ctrl F2 in my Photoshop, you can see the Photoshop is automatically creating something is YouTube thumbnail. Yes, Photoshop is creating YouTube thumbnail for me. You can see that here we have the thumbnail. We can edit that. Like I want to change the text, like I want to remove the S from here, I can do that. I can also remove something which I don't want. That's up to me. So let's see how we can do this. So firstly, I want to tell you that I have created an action. For this, if I go to the actions panel, here you can see YouTube thumbnail. This action have shortcut key Ctrl F2, which I have assigned when I have created this. Likewise, I have created YouTube thumbnail too, which is slightly different from this in the color correction manner. So let's see how we can create one for us to use further, but I have provided you these two actions in the description. You can download that and you can use them very quickly. So let's see how we can do this. So go here. Firstly, what I want to do is to record the action. If you don't find the action panel here, go to the window and here you can find the action. The shortcut key for this is Alt F9. So let's go to the actions panel. Here what I want to do is to create a new action. From here, from this icon you can create a new action. Click here and the new window will pop up. Here I can change the name for the action, like I want to apply YouTube thumbnail. Three, because I have already created 1, 2 and now this will be 3. So here I can assign the shortcut key, like I want to assign F4 with the shift key. Okay, so I can record this. So you can see the recording is started. Now Photoshop will record every step which I will use here. So firstly, I will import the logo. Logo is very important for your channel and everything. So here we are talking about the Photoshop. So I will bring the Photoshop icon. So for that, go to the file and here you can find the place linked. Click here and now find the YouTube logo. Place it here. Change the size and place it where you want to. So now I want to create a rectangle here like this. Change the color for this rectangle, like I want to create this color. Great. So now I want to type in the text. Like actions in, I can place that here. And now I want to type in Photoshop. So we have Photoshop written here. Now place it here. Move the action in text upwards. So great, we have the text now. So at this time I want to assign a layer mask here on the rectangle. So I have added the layer mask here with the gradient tool. I'm going to apply the gradient on the layer mask like this. So our text is looking good. So here I want to create a new shape, rounded rectangle like this. So I want to change the color. I want to use the blue color like this. And now let's type the text here. Great, we have the text. So now change the color for the text. At this time, let's copy these two layers. Great, we have the copy. Now place these copies at the bottom. Great. Now I want to add English because my tutorials are in English language, and some tutorials are also in Hindi. You can check out the playlist. So we have the thumbnail setup. Here I want to change some color in the background because I want to make the color combination working. So here I am going to add the gradient map. So let's change the gradient because this is looking horrible. Like this. Great. So now change this to something like this. Bring it back little bit. Change this color to white. And now like this. So now we can change the color mode like this. I love this. So now I can reduce the effect with the opacity. Reduce the opacity of the gradient map. Great, like this. So now let's color correct the whole image. For that I'm going to use the curves like this. So now the thumbnail is looking very good. So at this time I will go to the actions, and here you can find the stop button. Stop it. Now you can see our action is recorded. With the shortcut key Shift F4, we can use this with this shortcut key, and we can play that from here. So let's see how it is working. So let's create a new document. So I have a new document here. So let's import an image. Like I want to import this one. Let's import this one. So let's increase the size of this image. Great, the size is increased. So now I want to play that. I can use this shortcut key or I can play that from here. So let's select this and play that from here. You can see how fast we are getting the results. Don't worry about this, just press continue. Great. You can see we have the thumbnail ready with us. You can also change the text here. You can also change the color correction, like I want to change this like this. So that's up to us how we can deal with it. This really minimizes the time which we spend on the thumbnails for the Photoshop, and we are getting very good thumbnails. So that's all for today. Be with us. I will find out something new techniques for you and bring that for you. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.